Okay, first of all, it would help to actually put the mic in front of me. So, as you have been told, I get things, but they don't go up to par. Bye-bye. So I had some lights up in the corner, you know, trying to help. I hated the app. Okay, like really, really hated the app. But I was willing to deal with them. They were like $200 lights, but lightning deal, had them for like $100. Newer product, literally called Neewer, Neewer, which is the same as my photo box, and I love it. So, anyways, I'd already removed this. This is how I found out what I wanted to pull off. So, this here is a smart LED floodlight. Now, I don't think I have it plugged. Do I? Yes, I do. Well, let's start with the app. The app is awesome. It's Magic Home. Now, what's really cool about this is you can group them. Okay? But for instance, right now, I just have the one up there in the corner. And there's a reason. I'll explain that in a moment. So let's click that. And I don't know if you can... So, see, you got... Whoops. There's... Oops. Warm light, which is kind of yellow. Cool light, which is my favorite. And that's at 100%. You see how well that is. I had it down to like 16, which is still really good. I will put thing. What's really cool is, let's do this. Let's put on mic and talk and look. Okay, so my floodlight will dance to your voice or music, but I'd set up the music, which is on iTunes, which don't think I have any songs yet. Nope, I don't have any songs yet on my iTunes, believe it or not, because I'm straight up lazy. Then we have Cinema, not quite sure yet, I'll have to learn. We have functions. Now, I will put in the comments where this will be, because you're about to see a lot of lights go off, okay? There is 20. We have a bunch of, you know, like white strobe, purple strobe. We have 7 color jumping change, 7 color strobe flash, 7 color crossfade, which that's what I'm about to do. And then you got red cordial. So, wait, let's stop that. I'm going to turn my upper light off real quick. There we go. Now this is the crossfade. See why I like this thing. And it's going to the next color. Now it's green. Oh, this is going to be fun for me to try to pull this out. Now blue. This is probably the part that will, you know, will cause seizures, so I will put the timer in for this part. But ready, it is the 7 color strobe flash. Pretty cool. Then we have the 7 color jumping change. it goes faster. So then you, of course, can just do single colors. Now, what I really like about this thing also is under the functions, you also have customs. Whoops. You also have timers. You have customs. So you can make your own. Now, by the way, this is a floodlight. So technically the intentions are to be outside. Technically. But I got this idea. Let me get this back up. There we go. And so that's my strobe light. By the way, I will put a link with that in down. Comes in, you have ones with 2. You got the one with single pack. I got the double pack, 24 volt. They had some that are 15 volt, but I prefer. I'm all about more wattage, okay, y'all? But because I prefer that light over all these professional lightings, I decided I'm going to come up with an idea. Which my idea helped Chad tell me what I needed to buy. What I needed to get extra was this. And I'll show you. So, that's what's in this box. Which again, I already set up one. Stand! Now, they have lots and lots of different kinds of stands out there, and trust me, I've tried multiple ones. But I am about height. I prefer height, but I also prefer cheap. I am a cheapskate, okay? But on the same token, I want cheap. I want good quality, or decent quality, okay? So, I found this one. And first of all, the bolt, if you do the same setup, you get that floodlight and this container, you will need the 1/4 inch -20. Okay? That will be the one that you'll need, the wingnut. Okay? And I tried the bolts. They are not easy to work with. You definitely want the wingnut. Okay? Extra parts. Kid in a candy store. You know, y'all, I will have zero to do on Christmas. Why? Because I have no money. And I keep buying and opening. Alright. This is a 72 inch. Okay? So I usually start, it'd be smarter to start from the bottom. I already know I'm going to need all 3. So let's start from the bottom. And I also like these kind because they clip. Okay? So here we go. So, what you're going to do, the reason you want this is because you want to be able to maneuver it. Alright? You want to be able, because you need to be able to move it upwards and downwards, because you're not going to be able to move this really. Okay? Because of this bar. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take this little thing off. Set that to the side. You're going to take this. You're going to put that screw in that middle hole. Okay? See? Screw, middle hole. Then, once you got that, you put the wing nut on. Try not to lose it. Oh, also, the bottom has a thing you want to pull it up because you're going to want to hold it. While you're screwing. Doo-doo. Alright. And so you don't, because it's already so close together, that's why you have to have a specific nut. Because otherwise it will not screw. But, you see, it's on there tight. Then, you turn around, you bring this back over here, make sure that's down, put that, there we go, and now you'll be able to move. See? I'll lower this a little, so you can see a little bit better. There we go. So you see, you'll be able to move it upwards, backwards, left and right. You want to make sure this is tight. This is tight. Hi, Aries. I have an Aries who wanted to join. That's my baby. My baby. We're going to hope this is not, I'll face it this way in case it is turned on, because I found out that it'll, yep. And you just screw it in. And go back out. Well, shootsies. I gotta reprogram this one. That prop thing, I think I will reprogram this one. This is always the hardest part. Alright, so unplug. Plug. Yep, nope, I'll have to definitely fix this. Let's see. Looks like I am going to have to redo this one, so we'll do that afterwards. Hi. You need a little pink in your life, dude? So that's like my little buddy. That was Hades' biological brother. He is totally missing his brother. He's not liking the new cat much, trust me. Alrighty. So, that is the easy way to make new lights if you're doing filming and whatnot. I'm always trying to find new ways. Cheaper ways. Ways that work. And I love these floodlights so much that he'll end up having to get them for outside too. So that's all for now. He's taking a nap. I'll be waking him so we can do some videos. So